Hey, are you looking for free auto repair marketing videos? You're in the right place. Buckle up, I'm going to show you everything that you need. Hey, I'm Matthew. Welcome to Car Count Hackers. We're all about helping auto repair shop owners grow their car count, income, and profits so they can improve the lifestyle of everyone they care about. So let me tell you about a message I just got. But before I tell you that, I need to tell you how it got there. So before I forget, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to tickle that like button. Feel free to share this with a shop owner that you think it will help. Not long ago, I got a message from an auto shop owner, just like you, and he was asking me questions about, the best place he could find free tips on how to organize things in his shop and start getting more car count. Because after all, you know that car count leads to lifestyle improvement. But told me that he's seen over the last few years, a serious decline. It said, hey, I got to get to work and figure a couple of things out here to help get more car count. I'm going to tell you exactly what I told him. Number one, I told him to watch this series of short videos about weird hacks and dirty little secrets that they don't want you to know. Basically, this was sharpening up your skills so that when you have a customer at your service counter, you're going to get to be, you're going to get them in a position where they're going to authorize your work and buy your upgrades. Number two, I asked him to watch these videos about how to double the price of your basic oil change. Now, it's a strategy series. It's only 3 videos that shows you how to take your basic oil change and how to position it, not in a typical good, better, best. I don't want to get into the details here, but it's really well explained. And after all, the whole series of videos I'm going to ask you to look at take you a whopping 38 minutes. Number 3, I asked him to watch this video here about how to create kick-butt offers. Because after all, if you're looking to attract customers or get your current customers to come back to you, who doesn't want to save money? You got to be able to craft the offer the right way. In this particular download, and I'll leave links in the description below, it's a simple 1-page worksheet that walks you through. It's fill in the blank. Just fill in some of the blanks. There's 5 or 6 blanks. Get your calculator out and do a little bit of math, and you're on your way to creating kick-butt offers. The last thing I asked them to do is go ahead and register for this free training course, how to double your car count in 89 days without wasting any of your hard-earned dollars on that money-sucking advertising. That course is all about helping small independent repair shop owners virtually eliminate the competition in their market. And I don't care whether it's a big box store, new car dealer, mobile guys, or the competitor down the street. I'm even going to show you how to actually get customers to start referring you. Because think about it, if you look at how many customers you had last week and how many referrals you got, well, your customers aren't referring you, and I don't want to get into the details of that. That we'll talk about on the course. And I'm going to show you an almost sneaky tactic to get, 100% perfect reviews every time, all the time. So go ahead and visit that link now and sign up. I'm telling you now, in the interest of 100% transparency, this course is not going to remain free forever. So while it's here, go ahead and snag your registration, and once it gets launched, you'll be the first to know. Hey, I'm Matthew Lee, the Car Count Fixer. If this video helped you, feel free to share it with a shop owner that you know may appreciate it. Post it to any of your Facebook groups, and don't forget to tickle that like button. Be sure you're subscribed. Register for the course. That's all. That's all you have to do. I'm Matthew Lee, the Car Count Fixer. I can't wait to see you on the training course. Talk soon.